Hey everybody, I think the longest January ever is now over, and it's time to pull January off the calendar and cook the recipe that's on the back. I'm George Grant Birch, a realtor and residential lifestyle consultant in Houston, Texas, and this year I sent out calendars to all my friends and clients as a little Christmas gift, and each month I'm cooking the recipe on the back of the previous month. So this month, we're making meatballs with Alfredo sauce. This one's not low calorie, so here we go. For this recipe, you'll need 2 pounds of ground beef, 2 to 3 cloves garlic minced, 2/3 cup breadcrumbs, 1/2 cup heavy whipping cream, 1/2 cup grated Parmesan cheese, 1 large extremely valuable egg, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, and 3 tablespoons unsalted butter. For the Alfredo sauce, you'll need 2 cups heavy whipping cream, 5 tablespoons butter, 1 tablespoon flour, 1 cup shredded Parmesan cheese. Let me start this over. Would you come here, please? Okay. The recipe starts by combining the breadcrumbs and cream. I don't suggest you do that. That combination made a thick dough that was hard to incorporate. I suggest mixing the breadcrumbs into the ground meat to distribute it evenly, and then add cream, egg, Parmesan, and seasonings. Form into balls about 1 tablespoon each. 2 pounds of ground meat will yield about 64 meatballs. To cook the meatballs, melt 3 tablespoons butter over medium-high heat, and then cook each meatball, turning occasionally until brown on all sides. This process is a little fiddly and time-consuming, so in a minute I'll show you my hack to make it easier and faster. When an instant read thermometer shows 160 degrees, remove the meatballs from the pan and drain them on paper towels. To save a lot of time and calories, use the broiler instead of the stove and cook an entire tray at once. Cook directly under the broiler for 4 to 5 minutes, drain away the fat, cover with another pan, and flip it to broil the other side. Once the meatballs are finished, drain them onto paper towels, cover them with foil, and set them aside while we make the sauce. To make the Alfredo sauce, melt 5 tablespoons butter over medium heat. Once the butter is melted, stir in the garlic and whisk in 1 tablespoon flour. Whisk until the flour is dissolved and no lumps remain, then slowly whisk in 2 cups cream, stirring constantly to prevent scorching. Add pepper and salt and stir to incorporate the cream and butter. Cook 5 to 7 minutes until the sauce thickens slightly and comes to a boil. Turn off the heat and mix in the cheese, and your sauce is complete. To serve, place the meatballs on fully cooked pasta and then spoon on all of that rich, delicious sauce. Add a little bit of Parmesan cheese if you wish and enjoy this decadent treat. Check out my website at ggbirch.com for printable recipe cards and lots more. While you're there, register for personalized neighborhood updates and hit subscribe on my YouTube channel and click notifications for video updates. Thanks for watching.